Imagine, if I told you that Mars used to be a lot like Earth. It might be hard to believe, but there might have even been life there once, although not anymore. Over time, Mars has changed a lot and now it's very different from our planet. It's dry, cold, and barren, but Mars wasn't always like this. Some scientists think it had seas and maybe even oceans, making it more similar to Earth. In the past, it had rivers and lakes, possibly even a global ocean. Like Earth, ancient Mars might have been a suitable place for tiny life forms. But over billions of years, while Earth remained a vibrant world, Mars became a desolate place. Most of this transformation happened because Mars lost its protective atmosphere and a lot of its water. Despite that, some water remains, but even that is slowly disappearing. So, how did Mars change so much? Scientists believe that its atmosphere allowed water to escape into space more easily than expected. Mars started off a lot like Earth, with molten metal cores and magnetic fields protecting it. But because Mars is smaller than Earth, it couldn't hold onto its atmosphere as well. The sun's radiation stripped away much of its protective layer. Now, satellites like MAVEN study Mars to understand its history and how its atmosphere is still changing. They found hints that Mars might have once had an atmosphere rich in oxygen similar to Earth's. There are also clues in the Martian landscape, like strange ripples in the sand, that tell us about its ancient atmosphere. These ripples suggest that Mars' atmosphere changed over time. Despite all these discoveries, there's still much to learn about Mars and its atmosphere. The sun's behavior also affects Mars, but sometimes it doesn't cooperate with scientists' observations. Mars continues to lose water, partly due to seasonal changes and occasional storms. Even though it's lost a lot of water over billions of years, there's still a lot we don't know about its past and its future. If you found this information interesting, please consider subscribing and support us on Patreon. This is the SciFiles signing off.